And now I'm going out. What the fuck? I can't explain. Grabe, nandito na ako. Yeah, kaya naman. Kaya nang, actually naka-apat ako na patong ngayon. Parang tumitigas yung buhok ko sa ilong. Wow. Okay. So ayan. Oh, so much. Look at that. My face is starting to feel numb. And it's not good. Next stop, we're going to the Genghis Khan. Look at that. Oh, oh, that's cold. Look at that. One more time. Sorry. There it goes. Woo!